Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how to compare the screenshots. So in real time we might need to do all these things while do the validations and all. Suppose you want to fetch some error message or some image, some page, whether it is same as it is supposed to be or not. So you might in short you might be comparing between expected result and actual results. So for that we need to compare two images, compare two screenshots or whatever you say. So for that I have already made two videos. One is for comparing, taking the screenshot, capturing the screenshot of entire page, and another one is how to take the screenshot for particular element. For suppose this is the page and you want to take uh, image, whether this logo image is displayed or not, or so many things you can check it, whatever particular element. For that also I have uploaded one video how to take a capture a image or screenshot, yeah, for only particular element. So these two I have already done it, you can go through that. So because why I am telling all these things, because we will be using all those concepts in today's video as well. So in case if I am moving somewhere fast and you are not able to capture for those things, you can go through those video also, and I will upload anyways the link in the description box for those videos as well. So let's start. So suppose we want to validate whether this logo image is displayed or not. So for that what we have to do? For that we have to do first take the screenshot of this particular element. So to take the particular element, for this first we have to take the x path of this element. We have to locate this element. So for that go to inspect and then take the screenshot for this element. For that I have already uploaded the video and you can go through. I will give a link in that one. I will tell you in short here fast, because today in this video we will focus how to compare the screenshots. Okay, so suppose comparing a screenshot means we need to check whether actual is equal to expected or not. So for that first we have to already saved one image name as expected image, right? If you have some expected image, then only you can compare, correct? So for that we have already saved one image with the name of expected image, and that actual we will take it while runtime. Okay, then that will be a correct validation. So this simple program I have written which will navigate to the application. Okay, so I expect that everyone knows this. Otherwise for this also I have one video, you can go through with that. So for that now let's come to compare screenshot. So for that what we have to do, we have to save one image somewhere in physical location as the name expected image, or whatever name you want you can put it, but I'm referring it to the expected result. Okay, so some image or some screenshot you have to save it. So for that what we have to do, I have taken one image and I have saved it as a name with the expected image. Now we will tell our program that this image is in this location. So while comparing, you take this image as an expected result from that location and then compare it. So let's take a variable of expected image. Let's name the variable as expected result. Okay, so expected image, and this type should be buffered image. Buffered image. Expected image is a variable and buffered image is a type. Equals to, all these are predefined classes, image input, output and all. Okay, because we are reading a file from some location, so we will use it here as image input. We are using these things name as a image input file dot read file input new, and then here we will give the location. So this is my location, sorry, this is my location where I am saving my actual expected result. You can give whatever yours. So guys, always do copy paste, don't try to type it, otherwise you might end up with so many typos and then program will not run. So this one I have done it. Okay guys, see here we are getting some error. Now we'll see import. Okay, so import all these files and then error will go. Athos declaration. Okay, now go to next. See what we will do. This line will do. This line uh, will take this expected image.jpg as a expected image. Okay, this physical location it will go, and whatever the name is expected image, it will take it as a expected image. Okay, so now we have to take the actual result while runtime. Okay, so for that first we have to take the particular element, that location, which one we want to compare it. Okay, so let's take that. We have to take the XPath, and that XPath we will save it in a web element type. So web element is a type here, and then we will take a variable, so actual image location. Okay guys, driver dot find element by dot XPath. We are using XPath here. Now let's take the XPath. For detail XPath thing, I have already uploaded a video. You can go through with it. Let's inspect this. Oh, inspecting correctly. So this is the custom logo, we will take it. See here, if you go, see this class is as a custom logo. Okay, and then we will take it. So how we will write the XPath? For XPath I have one detailed video, you guys can go through and check. I will not waste much time here. So the tag was image, and at the rate class equals to single quotes custom logo. Then this also, I guess, import error will be there. Import the file, and then this is the actual image location where for which we want to take a runtime actual image, right? Runtime image. Okay, screenshot. So now to take the screenshot we will use type screenshot, and let's take some variable name screenshot equals to new a shot. See guys, we are using AShot API. This is third party API. So first time if you do, you will get an error. So for that we have to use the AShot external jar API. AShot API. So if you are using Maven project, you have to insert the dependencies. If you are not using Maven, then you have to add external jar ashot. First you have to download it and then add it in your reference library. Then this ashot library will work in your program. Okay, for this also I have already made one video. I will share the link in the description box. You can go and check it, right? So new ashot dot shooting strategy dot shooting strategy shooting strategies dot view viewport pasting if integer scroll time will give. See, now right now we are taking the first element itself, so uh, scrolling down is not required. But in case suppose if you are taking somewhere mid or down element screenshot, so you need to scroll it down and then take the screenshot. So for that, we safer side we are giving this viewport pasting 500 time. In this time it will scroll down and take the search for the location and take the screenshot. Okay, and dot codes new WebDriver codes, sorry, new WebDriver codes provider, because we are providing the coordinates dot take a screenshot this web element 1 will take. Okay, because we are already passing the web element driver is correct, and this has already taken as a actual image location. Okay, this is correct one. Now we have missed that semicolon. Oh, by mistake here I did semicolon. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are using ashot library and we are taking that screenshot. Okay, now we have already taken the screenshot, that's in the clipboard, right? It's taken a screenshot and that's in the clipboard. Now we have to paste it somewhere save it in a physical location, then only we will be able to see it. It will be tangible, otherwise it's just in the clipboard and we will not be able to perform any action, right? So if we want to see it physically, we have to save it somewhere. So for this saving and then reading and writing, we use image input output class, right? So image dot io, this time see in first one we have taken read, right? Because here we were reading the file, now here we are writing the file, pasting the file. So what we will do, image input output dot write input output stream. Okay, so we'll take the first one, write scr short dot get image, because that image is in this variable, right? So in image input output dot write scr short dot get image, and here we have to give the format, right? If you go through, see, write one, it is string and image output stream. Okay, so here we have to give the format, file format. So file format I am taking it as a jpg, whatever you want you can take it, you can take it png or whatever you want, and file location is new file, here we will save the location, and then you have to give the file name also. So we will give the file name is also actual image with extension jpg. So whatever extension you take it here, and file extension should be same, otherwise you might have end up getting the errors. Okay, so now whatever screenshot it have taken, it will save it on this physical location, right guys? Now what we have to do is, we have already write the program, we have already write the image, we have already pasted the image. So till this one, it is for how to take the screenshot in for particular element. So now we have one expected image and actual image, correct? So now what we have to do, we have already expected image and actual image, but for comparison we have only expected image, right? Now we have to again read this file and then compare. Got it? Because you have to tell Selenium also, but comparing also you use this element and compare. See guys, if you don't do this step for reading, for for png file it might work, but jpg it will not work, because we are going to use some image differ class. In image differ class, their saving format is different. So for safer side, always read again buffered image actual image. Actual image is equal to image input output dot read you can copy paste same file here and will change the names. That's it. You need not to write again. So change it to actual image. Actual image read, and this name also we have to change it as per this. Okay, got it guys? So now we are reading two files, expected image and actual image. Now we have to compare. So for compare we will use image differ class. So image differ is equal to image diff. Image diff is a variable and we will create a instance of the class, right? Then only we will be able to use it. Image differ. For comparison, image differ class we are using, and now image diff equals to image diff dot make diff. Buffered expected buffered image. Okay, so it is already taking expected image and actual image. This is our actual image and this is our expected image. Okay guys, now some error we are getting, I guess we have to import it. Okay, if now here we are comparing, if diff dot has different, has diff, It means if diff dot has diff will give system.out yes, system.out.println dot print images are not same. Images are not same. Else images are same. See, semicolon was missing. See here what we are doing. We are using image difference class to do the comparison. So what we are telling, if diff dot has diff, if this diff means expected image and actual image has some differences, then put saying images are not same. If it doesn't have any difference, if it means it will go to else statement, then put images are same. If it doesn't have any issues, then put images are same, and if these are not, if it has some differences, then put images are not same. Okay, so I will revise once more. We have already taken one element as a buffered image, that because image type should be buffered image to use all these predefined classes. So that name is expected image. We have already taken it, saved it somewhere, and we are reading it. And then these three lines to is for to these three lines are for to take the screenshots of some particular web element. Okay, and then this third one, what we are doing, whatever actual result has been saved, actual image has been saved, that we are reading with the help of image input output class using read method. And then we are using image differ class to do the comparison. Okay, so this step you might you can skip it, but for safer side always do this, because see whatever this differ class is using for images, that format might be changed. So if because I have done it initially, so I am telling you, if you use it png file and all, it will work even if you don't use it. Simply for actual image you can give src shot.get image and it will work. You need not to save the read it from that location. But for jpg image and other formats it will not work. So for safer side you always make a habit of reading the input from some location where actual result has been saved. And then if diff dot has diff some differences it is there, then print images are not same. If not, then images are same. Let's run this program and see whether it is working or not. So I have ran the program. Let's see. It is running, it is launching the browser. It will invoke the browser. Browser will be opened. See, it is opening the browser. Now it will navigate to the application, whatever site we have given. It will open the website and it will take the particular element screenshot. It will save it and then it will compare it. See, it is showing images are same. See the result, images are same. And if you go, see here it has saved actual image.jpg which looks same. But now I will show you if images are different. So for this expected result, I will change it a little bit and then I will show you. I will just put a little dot and then it should not work because image will not be same. Today my system is a bit slow. I guess I need to restart the system. See, only this much I have done it. Let's see. This time it should not work. That should be very accurate. So now I'm deleting the actual result. Now let's go back to our browser. Initially we got images are same and now I have changed the expected result, and let's see whether what happens this time. Now again I have ran the same program. Now again it will invoke the browser and it will pass the data and program will land to the landing page of that application. It is loading the data. Now again it will take the screenshot and check. It is running, it is loading the page. Looks like some network issue or some my machine issue. It's very slow. I guess I need to restart it. So it is again loading, and now it will take the screenshot, it will save it, and then it will read it and take the comparison one. See, it is showing images are not same because we have put little dot here. If you are able to see little dot here and here no dot, so it is very accurate and it is showing that results are not same. See, so guys, I hope after watching this video you will be able to do the image comparison wherever you need to do it. And for other related to this image comparison video, from few further video which I have uploaded it already, like capturing the screenshot, complete page screenshot, and capturing the special element screenshot, and the taking the XPath. I will give the link in the description. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.